Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 3 maths and then click on view all lessons. So we're going to start with chapter geometric measurement, and the lessons we're going to cover today are parameter word problems, find the area of complex figures, find the area of rectangle word problems, parameters, find the area of figures made of unit squares, find the area of rectangles and squares. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, let's just start with the lesson parameter. Okay, here I'm on grade 3 maths. The chapter is geometric measurement. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is parameter word problems. So basically, what is the parameter? The parameter, let's suppose we have a closed figure, four-sided figure. Rectangle it is. Got it? Here you have 10. Here you have 8. Because the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal in measurement. Got it? So the length, my parameter of the rectangle would be, you have to add up all the side lengths. Got it? You have to add 10 plus 10 plus 8 plus 8. So it would be 20 and 16. It would be 36. So whenever you have to calculate the parameter, you just have to add all the side lengths. Got it? For a closed shape, whenever you have to find the parameter, you just have to add the all the measurements. Each side of a square dollhouse is 17 inches long. What is the dollhouse parameter? You can see square has all four sides equal in length. So if one of them is 17, all the four are 17. You have to add. So what you have to do, you have to add all four side length. It will be 68. So for the parameter, you just have to add all the side lengths. Got it? It is very easy. You just have to understand the concept. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, a square plastic has a perimeter of 36 meters. How long is each side? You're given the parameter. Got it? You have to calculate the length of the side. And you're given the parameter, it would be 36. Square has all four sides equal in length. Got it? We just learned. Let's suppose this one is A. We don't know the side lengths, but we know the parameter. Parameter would be sum of all four sides. Got it? And sum of all four sides is 36. So A plus A plus A plus A, because all these side lengths are exactly equal, that's why they all are A. So it would be 4A. Got it? You need to calculate the value of A. A is the side length. So you have to divide both sides by 4. So it would be 4 times what number makes 36? 4 times 9 makes 36. That means each side length equal 9. You can check by adding. We know that 9 times 4 makes 36. Got it? So the side lengths equal 36. Correct option is parameter is 36 and the side lengths equal 9. Or either you can use the easiest way. You are given the three options. You can just add them, like 7 plus 7 plus 7, see which makes 36. It would be the last one that makes 36. And I think, you know, yeah, the same method is explained. I use it would be 9. Okay, a square garage has a perimeter of 12 yards. How long is each side? So it would be 12 yards. So again, it would be same. Square has all four sides equal in length. So it would be all sides are yes. You can ask question if you have any. I can see your messages. Again, you have to do the same thing. You have the square. Square has all four sides equal in length. So let's suppose the length of the square would be of a side is a. So it would be parameter is a plus a plus a plus a equals p, and the parameter we are given here is 12. You have to calculate the parameter. It would be 12 equals 4a. Just divide both sides by 12. So 4 times 3 is 12. So it would be 3. You can see 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 makes, when you add them, it makes 12. Here you can go. It would be 12. Okay, so the correct option is 3. The length of all the sides is 3. A rectangular dining room is 5 meters wide and 7 meters long. What is its parameter? It's a rectangular shape. The rectangle has opposite sides equal in length. Got it? So it would be 7 meter long and 5 meter wide. 7 meter long and 5 meter wide. Got it? So rectangle has opposite sides equal in length. It would be 5 and 7. You have to calculate the parameter. You just have to add. You can just add 7 plus 7 is 14 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So 14 plus 10 makes 24. It would be 24. The correct option is 24. Got it? It would be 24. Okay, the next one is each side of a square picnic blanket is 10 feet long. What is the blanket's parameter? So which is the correct option? Each side is 10. Square has four sides. You have to add 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So which is the correct option? It would be 40. When you add all four sides, it would be 40. Okay, the next one is the parameter of a rectangular price tag is 30 meters. The price tag is 5 meter tall. How wide it is? Okay, you are given the parameter that would be 30 centimeters. There we have the rectangle. And you are given parameter is 30 and 5 centimeter tall. Okay, they have 5 centimeter tall. Got it? If this one is 5, this one is 5. You are given the parameter that is 30. You need to find these two sides, and they are opposite two sides are equal in length, so they are equal in length. Got it? Just add. It would be 30 equals 5 plus 5 plus L plus L. So it would be 5 plus 5 is 30 and L plus 5 and plus 5 is 10 and L plus L is 2L. Move 10 other side, it would be then subtracted. 30 minus 10 equals 2L. It would be 20 equals 2L. You need to find the value of L. Just divide both sides by 2. It would be 2 times 10 is 20. That means the other two sides have the measurement 10 and 10. You can check by adding 10 plus 10, 20, and 5 plus 5 makes 30. So it would be 30. Got it? So that means it would be 10. The correct option is 10. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson would be find the area of the complex figures. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, here is the complex figure. You have to calculate the area. How do we calculate the area of the figure? We have to divide it into figures. Like you can see, if I can make a line. Okay, if I can make a line here, I can divide it into two parts. This one is first one and this one is second one. They both are the rectangles. Got it? So you can just divide them into two parts, and then you can rectangles are opposite side equal in length. This one is 3. Here is also 3. this portion is 9, so that means the length from here to here would be 9. 9 plus 5 makes 14, so it would be 5. Got it? Just calculate the area of two figures, and this one, you can have this rectangle with 9, 9, 3 and 3 for this one, the one I numbered 1. Got it? And you have this rectangle that has 5, 5, 9, and this one 6, and this one plus 3, it would be 9. Got it? Just divide the figure into two parts and calculate the area. You know how to calculate the area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle would be area of the 2 times length plus 2 times width. Got it? You have to multiply 2 times by length and width. So it would be, here you have the length is 9. It would be 2 times 9 and plus 2 times 3. So 9 times 2 is 18, and 18 plus 6 is 24. The area of this figure is 24. Got it? Let me just draw them on the whiteboard, and then I will explain again. Just listen to me carefully. I divided the whole figure in two parts. 9933. Here is the first portion, 33 and 99. This portion it is. Then this one, 9955. Then you have this one, 9, 9 and 5, 5. Got it? Let's just calculate the area. Yes, you can ask question. The area of the rectangle is always 2 times length plus width. So it would be 2, length is 9, width is 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. It would be 12 times 2, and 12 times 2 is 24. How old are you? Why? I am 32. It would be 2 times 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 makes 14. 2 times 14 is 28. So area of this figure is 24 and area of this figure is 28. You have to just add up both the areas. Got it? It would be 8 and 4, 12. 2 into 4 and 1, 5. So it would be 52. The area of the shape is 52. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. We have so many lessons. And oh, area of rectangle is just length time width. Sorry. I don't know. That would be the which shape it is that I'm calculating the area. Sorry, it is just 2 length time width. Got it? Not 2 times length plus width. That would be the just length time width. It would be 9 times 3, 27. It would be 9 times 5, that is 45. Just add 27 plus 45, that would be 72. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the next one is, what is the area of the figure? I thought you were 29. How? You haven't see me, so how can you think I'm 29? Okay, let's just divide the figure into two equal parts. Like, just convert it into two equal parts by this. Now we have two figures. Got it? This one is 2 kilometer. This one is 2, because this is rectangle. This would be 8. This would be a rectangle, has opposite sides equal in length. So it would be 6 and 11. You have two rectangles, 1 and 2. I'm going to draw both of them on the board. Got it? The one with 8 and 2. This one you have 2 and 2, 2, 8 and 8. That would be the figure 1. Then you have the second one, that would be 6, 6, 11 and 11. It would be 6, 6, 11. It's okay, but I am 32. 11 and 11. Got it? Okay, let's just multiply the length and figure. Length and width. For the one, it would be area would be length time width. Just multiply 8 times 2. That would be 16. Then you have area equals length time. Yes, I have. Baby girl, 11 times 6, that would be 66. Got it? Which one has three sides? You can make another one for the fourth side. Got it? You can make, let's see, I have drawn the fourth side. This one is fourth side. Then this one also has the four sides. Got it? Got it? Now just calculate the area of both the figures. You just have to add the areas of both the figures. It would be, where is three sides? One, two, three, four. Where is three? For both the figures, they have four sides, not three. So you just have to add both the areas. It would be, you can add 16 and 66. For both the areas, you just have to add 16 plus 66. So it would be 82. The correct option is 82. It would be 82. Let's just move on to next question. Okay, what is the area of the figure? Let's just divide this one into two parts. It would be, you can divide them like this. Either you have two options, either divide them like this, or either you can divide like this. It's up to you. Yes, I got your question. The same thing you can divide either like this, either you can divide them into three parts, but it's up to you. If you are going to divide into three, you can find the area by dividing into two, like this one. Got it? But it doesn't matter if you want to divide them into three parts, you can, because we just know how to calculate the area of the rectangle, so doesn't need to calculate into three, doesn't need to divide into three parts. Got it? Okay, let me just, it would be the first one and it would be the second one. Here you have 7, it is 7, 5, and this length is 5 from here to here. The complete red line is of 5. Then you have 2 and 5, so it would be 5 here. Got it? Let me just calculate. You can take a break. The lessons will be uploaded on the channel. You can find the lessons later and complete them. Okay, it would be 7, 5, 7, 7, 5, 5. You have to calculate the area. It would be 7 times 5, that is 35. Then you have another one, that would be 2 and 5. 2, 2, 5, and 5. You have to calculate the area. It would be 2 times 5, that would be 10. So for you have to add both the areas. It would be 35 plus 10, that would be 45. Got it? Yes, you can take. Okay, it would be 45. The correct option is 45. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let's just move on to the next lesson. Okay, the next one is find the area of rectangles word problems. So we are going to find the area of rectangles and we have the word problems. So let's just start with the first example. Okay, a square piece of rectangle has sides. A square piece of gold has sides that are 3 millimeters long. What is the piece of gold's area? You have to calculate the area of gold and the shape is square. So whenever we have the square shapes, you have to calculate the area. It would be side times side. So 3 times 3 is 9. So the correct option is 9. Got it? So whenever we have to calculate the area of square, you have to do side times side. If square has same side lengths, it would be 3 times 3 and that would be equal to 9. No, not, I am almost done. It would be around 40 minutes. We have we have left 40 minutes now. Okay, a rectangle vegetable patch is 4 meter wide and 9 meter long. What is its area? You have to calculate the area of the rectangular shape 4 and 9. It would be like this. 4, 4, and here you have 9 and 9. That is the rectangle. You have to calculate the area. So area of the rectangle would be length time width. That would be 9 times 4, and that equals 36. Got it? Richard, you can find a lesson on the channel and then complete them it later. You can go. It would be 36. The correct option is 36. Okay, a square kitchen has sides that are 4 inches long. What is the tiles area? You have the square, the tile is in square shape and it is 4 inches long. You can see 4, 4, 4, and 4. You can do 4 times 4. Whenever you have to calculate the area of square, you can do side times side. It would be 4 times 4 is 16. It would be 16. So the correct option is 16. Okay, the next one is a rectangular dining room is 8 meters long and 8 meters wide. What is its area? You are given the length and width. So you have to, whenever you have to calculate the area of the rectangular shape, you need to do 8 times 8. 8 times 8 is 8 times 8 is 16. 8 times 8 is 64. So the area of the shape is 64. Okay, a square garden has sides that are 9 yards long. What is the garden's area? So which is the correct option? It would be 9 yards long. You have to do square, you have to do side times side. 9 times 9 is 81. So it would be 81. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is parameter. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is parameter. We also learned what is parameter. Whenever you have to calculate the parameter, you just have to add all the side lengths. Like for this shape, you have to calculate the parameter. What you have to do, you have to add all the side lengths. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Just add the sides. It would be 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 6 plus 6. So it makes 33. That means the parameter of this shape is 33 inches. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what is the parameter? For the parameter of this shape, you just have to add all the sides ends. So just see the sides and add them. It would be 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4. 3 plus 3 is 6, 10 and 4, 14. So area of this shape is 14. Got it? Area of this shape would be 14 feet. So the correct option is not area. Parameter of this shape is 14. So it would be 14 feet. Okay, what is the parameter? You have to add all side lengths. You can see the side lengths. 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2. Just add them all. Got it? It would be 26 is the correct option. 5 and 5, 10. 17 and 1, 18. 18 and 2, 20 and 6, 26. It would be 26. The correct. Please write the answer once. Please write the answer once. It would be 26. The correct option is 26. Okay, what is the parameter? Which is the correct option? You have to add all the side lengths. Just look at the sides and add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So which is the correct option? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It would be 8. Just add up all the values. It makes 26, not 25. So the correct option is 8. Okay, what is the parameter? Which is the correct option? It would be 48 kilometers. 8 sides and 6 times 8 makes 48. So it would be 48 kilometer. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is find the area of figures made of unit squares. Let's just start with the lesson. You can just have find the area that are made up of unit figures. You can have to find their length also. Got it? You have to calculate the area of the shape. How do you calculate? You have to count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So count the unit squares inside the shape. There are 17 unit squares. So the area of the shape is 17 unit squares. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the shape is made up of unit squares. What is its area? You have to calculate the area of the unit square. Let's just let's just count these unit squares. Got it? Just count the squares. Unit square means one square. You have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the area of this shape is 17 square units. It would be 17 square units. The correct option is 7. Okay, with this shape is made up of unit square. What is the area? You have to calculate the area. Let me just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It would be 13. When you count, it would be 13. I will block you if you don't stop. It would be 13. The correct option is 13. You are here to learn, not for the fun. Please learn and do not make fun. It would be 4. The correct option is 4. Okay, the shape is made out of unit squares. What is the area? We have to count the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the area of this shape is 14 square units. The correct option is 14. The correct option is 14. Okay, the shape is made out of unit squares. What is the area? That would be it. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is find the area of rectangles and squares. So let's just start with the lesson. We have already done with the lesson. How do we calculate the area of rectangles? For the area of rectangles, you have to do length time width. Got it? You can see the rectangle that has the length 5 unit and width is 2 units. So you have to calculate the area. It would be length time width. So 2 times 5 is, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what is the area of the rectangle? So which is the correct option? The length of the rectangle is 5 and the width of the rectangle is 3. Whenever you have to calculate the length, whenever you have to calculate the area of the rectangle, you can do length time width. So 5 times 3 is 5 times 3, that would be 15. So the area of this shape would be 15 square unit. Okay, what is the area of the rectangle? So which is the correct option? 2 times 4 is 8. The correct option is 8. What is the area of the rectangle? So which is the correct option? It would be 2 times 5. The correct option is 10 square units. What is the area of the rectangle? Which is the correct option? It would be 5 times 4. The correct option is 20. You can go. It would be 20. What is the area of the rectangle? Which is the correct option? It would be 25 times 4 makes 20. You're welcome. Okay, what is the area of the rectangle? It would be 2 times 3, that equals 6. So the correct option is 6. What is the area of the rectangle? That would be 2 times 4, and 2 times 4 is 8. What is the area of rectangle, which is the correct option? It would be 5 times 3. 5 times 3 makes 15. So correct option is 15. What is the area of rectangle? It would be 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So the correct option is 12. What is the area of rectangle? So which is the correct option? It would be 3 times 2 makes 6. The correct option is 6. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 maths, and the chapter we're working on is geometric measurements. And the lessons we have covered today are parameter word problems, find the area of complex figures, find the area of rectangle, word problems, parameter, find the area of figures made of unit squares, find the area of rectangles and squares. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.